This is the Newton's Laws video project by Garrett Schrader. Newton's first law. An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed in the same direction until acted upon by an unbalanced force. In the first experiment, we have here a car. This will be our object at rest. When an unbalanced force, which in this instance will be my hand, acts on the car, it stops the car from being in rest and puts the car in motion. This demonstrates how the object remained at rest until the unbalanced force created motion, induced motion. Now, to demonstrate the other portion of Newton's law, this demonstrates how an object in motion will continue at the same speed in the same direction until stopped by an unbalanced force, which will be the puck. This demonstrates how the object stayed in motion until the puck applied the force that stopped the car when the car ran into it. This demonstrates Newton's first law. Newton's second law. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. For this example, we have a tennis ball, the object of larger mass, and the ping pong ball, the object of smaller mass. When I apply the same amount of force to each ball, the ping pong ball goes a lot further, moves a lot further, and has more speed and acceleration than the tennis ball. This is due because this demonstrates that the object of greater mass, being the tennis ball, doesn't move as far when applied the same force as the object of smaller mass, which is Newton's second law. Newton's third law. For every force applied, there is a reaction force that is equal in size but opposite in direction. For this example, I will be using a balloon. Right now, the object is at rest, and it demonstrates how, when I let go, the air moves out of the balloon, forcing the balloon itself to move in this direction, while the air forces back that way at the same speed. It's the same force. This demonstrates that because the balloon went forward in this direction, the air moved at the same speed in this direction. And that demonstrates Newton's third law. This concludes the Newton's Laws video project.